Create charging animation from any video. Auto return default wallpaper. Work on Samsung One UI devices without third-party app. First, you need video to create charging animation. Link in description. Open Settings. Mode and Routines. Round Times. Create new round time. Charging status. Wallpaper. Change lock screen wallpaper. Gallery. Select video. Trim video. Save round time. Automatic, active. Change video. You can disable or delete round time. Thanks for watching video.